how can people who are interested on the artistic side, visual effects, what you have done so far, is there a path that they can follow, college, some specific studies that they can do to follow also your path?
I think really the most important thing for anyone who wants to get into visual effects or AAA development, it really comes down to just studying the craft and
Mm.
really making it not just a hobby, but a passion. The more that you feed that passion, the better you become. And mistakes are made, and everyone makes mistakes, and you end up going down a few roads that don't take you quite where you wanted to get, but you just have to get back to it, keep going forward, and eventually you'll get there. And you just have to focus. I think that college tuition,
Mm-hmm.
unfortunately, is really high, and kind of creates a unnecessary burden. But at the same
Mm-hmm.
time, you do need to educate yourself. So whether it be through YouTube, whether it be through being involved in forums, whether just trial and error is your way of doing things,
Yeah.
or if you want to go and get schooling on the craft, whatever it is that you need to do, it has to really become your focus. There's a lot of people who want to do this kind of stuff, right? And a lot of
Yeah.
people do it halfway. A lot of people do it halfway. So if you can just do it more than halfway, you've pretty much beat out 95% of the rest of the people. And from there, you just keep working and working. I know a lot of people, and when I first met them, they were just average artists, average designers, average people,
Mm.
just starting out. And now they're running studios.
Ah,
They're
nice.
they getting massive awards. They're working on feature films. They're because they just didn't give up. There's
Mm.
so many opportunities to give up, and a lot of times I think it's actually, I mean, this might be controversial, but it's a mistake sometimes to give yourself too many plan Bs, because you end up giving yourself so many ways out that you never are forced to really climb the mountain. And I've climbed enough mountains to know that when you get to the top, like there's another mountain, but you just keep going and you
Yeah.
keep going. But it's that's what we're made to do. And passionate people will find a way. And look at how much successful projects are out there. Look at how many successful movies, how many
Mm-hmm.
successful game titles, how many successful artists, how many successful coders. I mean, these are just the people that wouldn't quit. And that's my firm belief. So if that helps anyone who wants to get into this field, you just have to make it your main focus. I would really recommend spending at least an hour or two a day. Like if you're a kid listening to this, an hour or two a day, really trying to uh, find a sweet spot in this sort of large field of opportunity. And if you're an adult, I would say maybe spend 4 hours a day. And the only reason why I would say that is because um, it's amazing how many young people like are really trying. They're
Mm.
really fighting for it. So
Nice. Thank you.
that's
Thanks a
fine.
lot for that advice.